Let me tell some words about English-speaking countries. Australia. Australia is the biggest island and the smallest continent in the world. Of course, you guessed it, Australia is the only country in the world which occupies a whole continent and some islands around it. It lies between the Indian and the Pacific Oceans. It's a large country, but its population is only 18.3 million people. There are original Australians who lived here long ago, but most of population came to Australia from Britain, Ireland and other countries years ago. At present in Australia there are a lot of people from Russia. The capital of Australia is Canberra. English is the official language in Australia, but English spoken in Australia is a bit different from British English and American English. Sometimes Australia is called the Lucky Country. Ireland. The capital of Ireland is Dublin. There are about 5 million people in the Republic of Ireland. It's a small country, but a lot of people know about it. Ireland is a beautiful country with fine lakes, tall mountains, and attractive beaches. It has two great rivers. It's a very green country. Ireland is a country of good butter and good horses. People come from all over the world to buy Irish horses. Attractions in Ireland: Dublin Castle, St. Patrick Cathedral, Spire of Dublin. Canada. Canada is the second largest country in the world. It's nearly as big as all of Europe. Canada shares with the USA seven of the world's largest lakes and also has three of the world's longest rivers. The capital of Canada is Ottawa. In Canada, there are people of many nationalities. There are two official languages in Canada, English and French. The red and white Canadian flag shows a leaf of the maple tree which grows in North America. The maple leaf is the official emblem of Canada, United States of America. The USA is one of the largest countries in the world. The population of the United States is nearly 250 million people. Most of the people live in towns. People of different nationalities live in the USA. The official language of the country is English. The capital of the country is Washington. The USA consists of 50 states. The flag of the United States is called Stars and Stripes. Washington was named in honor of the first President George Washington. The most important cities of the USA are New York, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Chicago, Boston, and others. It's one of the most powerful and advanced countries in the world. The USA has the third largest population in the world. New Zealand. New Zealand is an independent state. It consists of two main islands and some smaller islands in the Pacific Ocean. The capital of New Zealand is Wellington. The population of New Zealand is mixed. Official languages are English and Maori. English spoken in New Zealand is called Kiwi English. This country looks like Italy upside down. New Zealand is the same distance from Australia as London is from Moscow. New Zealand is sometimes called the world's biggest farm. It's famous for its products, butter, cheese, meat. United Kingdom. UK is an island state. It's situated to the north of Europe. is one of the smallest countries. However, it has a big population, and London is the world's seventh biggest city. Most people in Britain are British, but you can meet people of many different nationalities. The capital of the UK is London. The official language is English. The population of the UK is nearly 60 million people. The population lives mostly in towns and cities and their suburbs. Over 46 million people live in England. London's population is over 7 million people.